Hello friends, once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to create custom character, smiley and symbol for LCD 16 class 2 with Arduino. Let us see. This is schematic diagram. Here I am using 16 class 2 LCD with I2C board. SDA and SCL pin is connected to A4 and A5 number of Arduino pin. Let us see Arduino coding. Here I am using I2C LCD. So we will see an example of I2C LCD. Okay. I will upload once. Okay, here is printing hello world. So now I want to print here some custom character like heart and battery symbol, Bluetooth symbol, network symbol. So this is a website which can convert custom character to binary code. So here what we want to print, we can do like this. So I want to print here a heart. I will fill this. Okay. Here binary file is generated. So I will copy this and I will paste here. Okay. I will type here variable name. So I will type here HEA because this is half part of heart. Okay. And again I will create another part. Now again I will copy this. I will paste here. I will rename is RT. Okay. I will print here I love you. So I will use a function lcd dot create char. This is zero number and e a, this is variable number, sorry, this is variable name HEA. Okay, sorry, first we have to create and again lcd dot create care one RT. Okay, here I will write lcd dot w, write 0 number character is first part of heart, and then second part of heart, 1 number, and here I will print. Here I will call a function. Now I will upload this. Okay, you can see heart shape is printed. Now we will print here some symbol like battery symbol, Bluetooth symbol, etc. So we will go to once again to that website, clear, and first we want to print Bluetooth symbol. Bluetooth symbol is like this. Okay, I will copy. I will paste here. I will create a name Bluetooth. I have to again create character with the help of that data too. I will write here in white loop. So I will set here coordinate, set cursor 0 cross 1. It will print on second line. 2. Okay. I will upload. You can see here Bluetooth symbol is printed on LCD. So we will print another symbol. This is alarm. Okay, I will copy this binary file. I will paste here. This is bell. Okay, I will copy this line. I will paste here. I will type bell and here 3. Okay, I will just write 3. I will upload. You can see here bell symbol is printed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will provide you this website link in description box, so you can directly open from there. So guys, if you like this video, so please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.